So today we're taking a look at some keyword research for VetterView. They're a social media marketing agency with locations in Toronto and then London, I believe. Let me just double check. Yeah, so Toronto, Canada, and London, UK. Um, Essentially, influencer marketing, people posting stuff on like Instagram or YouTube for different brands and stuff like that, and building that connection between the creators and these companies. So my task for this job was to go out here and take a look at like 4 or 5 of their different competitors, find some of the different keywords they're going after between the blog posts and then for their homepage and then the other location pages, and find that. So my task was to find 50 keywords. I did more than that just because I always do. And yeah, we'll just go through some of them right now and kind of explain why I went after them. So something like top Instagram hashtags, right? A user that's in social media marketing and stuff like that, or influencer marketing, will want to look at different hashtags to go after. So they land on their site, they find out about them, kind of brand exposure. Kind of like what is an influencer that's more targeting kind of like a company. They want to look up what an influencer is before they go out there, and then they purchase an agreement with one of them. And something like how much to charge for Instagram posts. Again, if that's something like an influencer wants to go after. But yeah, I could kind of explain all these, but it'd take kind of forever. So you can just kind of scroll through some of these and see. You can see a lot of the keywords are targeting either something the company wants to search for or something that the influencer want to look up. And even some people with like new to social media, it's just good to have some brand exposure out there and rank for keywords based around social media posts and stuff like that, especially for this brand. That's what the other competition was doing. So in my mind, that was the best thing. And then for influencer marketing, so they wanted to go after some broad keywords like influencer marketing agency, and then keywords based around London and Toronto. I found some searches for London, but Toronto really wasn't much around. Just one of them had 10 searches, and that's it. So it's not too big in that location yet, unlike London, where influencer agency London's 100, influencer marketing agency London's 150, and stuff like that. So, and yeah, here's the competition. These were the sites they found, and kind of just some general notes, like how much blog posts and stuff like that they're having and traffic. And then one of the websites I found just to find the keywords. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to check the description down below. Um, we have a lot of important links for you to check out. Make sure to leave a comment and then like and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, that's it. I will see you guys in the next one.